so today I'm going to show you how you can turn your Young Living shampoo and your Young Living body wash, how you can use it ×2 for the same amount of money. So because Young Living has highly concentrated products like the Thieves dish soap, like the Thieves laundry detergent, the Thieves shampoo is the same way. So you can actually get away with using half of the bottle, which makes it half of the cost. So I have these little jars that I'm going to pour half of the shampoo and half of the conditioner into. So, and make sure you label your jars so that you don't get it mixed up. Let's see. You can kind of feel it, there's definitely more in there. It's one of those things that you don't have to, but I feel like it's going to work better for me if it is diluted. These are actually 4-ounce jars, and this is actually 10 ounces. So you know when you're about halfway when it's full. So there's that one. Put the lid on that. And then we do the same thing with the body wash. This is the Morning Start one, and the shampoo I have is the Lavender Mint. I love the smell and the feeling you get on your scalp. I actually already used a lot of it before I realized it was concentrated, so it's not going to have as much in here, but I am still going to leave the bottle about half. And then, actually I don't want to put that on. This is the cup I need to put it on. So, now that I have these 2 bottles that are halfway full, I'm going to fill the rest with filtered or distilled water. You want it warm, but not hot, because you don't want to break down the oils that are in there. And this is also a great time to add extra oils if you want to your bottle. It helps it smell better. If you want to add more, it already smells fantastic, but if you want to add more, go for it. Like I probably add a little bit more lavender and mint to this, even though it smells so good already. But if there's also other oils you'd like to add because of different things like dandruff or other scalp issues you're having, feel free to add them, or you can make your own serum and add it every time you use the shampoo. That works as well. And I'm just filling this up. And you're going to want to make sure to give it a quick shake every time you use it. There's also another way to make this go even farther if you get pump bottles. Because pump bottles, you really only need about 1/4 of the solution in there, and then the rest goes with water. And you get it, and that's where you're going to get your foaminess. Because this is a natural shampoo, you're not going to get that same lathering effect that you get with other shampoos. But that's because it doesn't have the sodium lauryl sulfate, which is really bad for you. And I'm just going to mix it here while I talk. I'm not going to vigorously shake it, just kind of back and forth. But because it doesn't have that sodium lauryl sulfate in it, you're not going to get that same sudsing effect. So if you want that, putting it in a foaming bottle will give you that same feeling without having to have that sodium lauryl sulfate in it, which is great. Same thing with the body wash. I'm going to just slowly make it dissolve into each other. But yeah, it makes it go so much farther. I do the same thing with my Orange Blossom face wash, not moisturizer. My Orange Blossom face wash I put into a pump bottle, and it goes so much further that way because it's so concentrated. So this is what I want to show you today. Like I said, you can half the bottles. If you really wanted to stretch it, you could probably do 1/3, but I would stick to that half, and you can get double the amount out of it. I don't need to do this to my conditioner because you don't want to water down your conditioner because of the way that it's the creamy consistency. But I always have twice as much conditioner because I always shampoo twice, condition once. So it works out perfectly. That way I get 2 shampoo bottles out of 1, and then I can keep buying my shampoo and conditioner at the same time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this, and please let me know if you have any other questions, and I will talk to you all later. Bye!